Welcome to Easy to Learn. Animals, baby, sound. Lion. The baby of a lion is called a cub, and the sound is called roar. Elephant. The baby of an elephant is called a cub, and the sound is called trumpet. Dog. The baby of a dog is called a puppy, and the sound is called bark. Cat. The baby of a cat is called a kitten, and the sound is called mew. Sheep. The baby of a sheep is called a lamb, and the sound is called bleat. Goat. The baby of a goat is called a kid, and the sound is called bleat. Cow. The baby of a cow is called a calf, and the sound is called moo. Horse. The baby of a horse is called a foal, and the sound is called knee. Frog. The baby of a frog is called tadpole, and the sound is called croak. Wolf. The baby of a wolf is called a pup, and the sound is called howl. Thank you, everybody.